Yep. Yo, yo. Gonna stop hating. It's been pretty good for me. It was a little difficult this morning, but it worked out in the end. Just had a small loss this morning.
How's it going, brother?
Yo, yo. I don't know if I think I like GA tonight better than GJ.
Definitely, I think GA is way better.
I agree. Spread's a little high right now, but
Yeah, wow, spreads are very high.
Yeah, spreads are 3 on GA.
Yeah. See, like I'm waiting for I'm switching like to FXCM to my other broker. I'm with Traders Way right now, and their spreads are like unreal. Like they said, the spreads of 27 right now. Like that's nuts.
On what?
In GA.
Yours are 270?
No, like 27 pips.
Does it say 27 or 270?
It says 27.
That means 2.7.
Yeah, points are, yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad for GA.
It's not too bad.
No. Oh my
But-
god. Nobody. Oh my lord. Nobody listened to me yesterday.
Why? Why?
Well, I invite like 10 people from Instagram into the Zoom call.
Okay.
And I said, hey, join this Telegram so I don't have to send 10 messages on top of the 3 I already have to send. Nobody joined.
Could you hear my audio fine right now, brother?
Yeah, your audio sounds good.
Okay, cool. Just making sure. It's the first time I kind of like turned it on right now. Usually I'm just like in the back, you know?
Oh, yeah, no, it sounds good. Sounds fine. No background noise. Sounds clear. Very good.
Yeah, I know. As soon as I messaged you and you gave me that link, I was on that right away, right? It makes your life so much easier too.
Yeah, I mean, because I want to limit it. Because because more and more people are starting to join like the mentorship group of mine.
Yeah.
I want to make sure we have room for that because I'm not going to pay $240 a month for Zoom.
Exactly. And on top of that, you're gonna have like a lot of other people that are just gonna be asking a lot of weird questions.
Yeah. So I mean, the people that are in here now, they always bring good discussion, so they can stay. But I want to leave the rest for room for as the group grows.
I like that.
I'm gonna roast Gerzat when he joins.
Oh, you're just my peeps.
I thought of all people he would listen. Of all people, I was like,
Oh, he didn't? Wow, I thought he
No.
would have too, man. He's like a hard discussioner in this.
yeah, he messaged me. He's like, hey, can I get the Zoom link? I was like, no, no.
How's the weather over there, brother?
It is very rainy.
Really, eh? It's really nice over here in Toronto.
Really?
We got some like really good sunshine.
Nice.
Like-
What time is it over there by you?
We're only an hour ahead of you, man. 6:30.
Yeah. As the words came out, I realized that.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, I watch Rikio's stream every morning. I know what time it is.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
he's a neighbor. He's close by.
Yeah, I'll think about it, Pablo. We'll see. I mean, I still have like an extra 50 spots normally when we get the max people. So it's not an issue yet, but people from Akio's group also join. So when he gets more people will come, and then as my group gets more people, I just want to have room. Yep.
Man, if this GA breaks above this 4-hour high, man,
Going up.
it'd be a crazy pullback.
It's already broken above on both of my.
Yes, no, it only has. Yeah, the wicks have
Oh, you mean just like above this resistance here?
just above the resistance level. Yeah.
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm looking for because GA will pump this in one candle. Like,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
Mhm.
that's exactly what I want. But
same.
even if we break the daily lows, like down there where you got the blue line,
Mhm.
it's still pretty good to go down to. Like if it does, but like I'm obviously looking for buys right now. Totally.
Yeah, I haven't. I looked left this morning and I had to look way too far. So I hate doing that. I want it to be like
Yeah.
closer.
Right around.
Yeah. We'll see. I think it looks good. I would trade GJ. GJ looks great to come down, but the bank holiday, I'm not sure how I feel about that.
I was looking at my Forex factory and the bank holiday was gone. It wasn't there anymore.
Really?
Yeah, I checked it and it was gone. Oh no, there it is for you.
Yep.
That's a new page or like, yeah, I guess. Refresh it. I don't know why mine went away. Yeah, I don't know. Mine was gone. Weird.
Apparently in Canada there is no JPY holiday.
They want us to lose our money first.
Yeah. GA
That morning was brutal though, man.
for GJ.
Yeah.
Oh my! It dicked me around twice.
Yeah, man. It
Oh
was
man.
pissing me off, man.
I mean, like, it wasn't even like the entries that were taken were in a range. It blew out of the range. So like, okay, we're good.
Yeah.
Came back in it, and then the second time right at open, it was like, okay, volume's taking us out of here. We're good.
Yep.
Nope. I was like, come on,
And then he starts flying down.
man. Yeah. I almost jumped in the cells early, but I was like, nope, don't break the rules. Just wait.
Honestly, I lost. Like I did 2 break evens,
Mhm.
and then when I saw it going down, I had like I told myself, I'm like, man, if I'm like at 2 break evens or like I had a minor loss, I'm like, man, like I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just like, screw it, leave it. And it was like I was about to impulse and just like go in, but like then I looked at it after, I'm like, shit.
Yeah,
It would
it
have
was.
worked out in my favor.
Yeah.
Even I was watching GA2 this morning as well, and I had sell stops at 901, 132, 901 ish area. Oh, sorry, what was it? It was that big climb down. I had it at 91, 901 sell stops. But then I ended up taking that off as well because I'm like, I'm just not gonna just screw it. Just let me get my mind back together. Let me come back in the Asian market, and then look what happened. It just blew.
Perfect. Perfect. Vaughn. I like the entry. I think GA spreads are too high right now to take this, so I would wait. Because once we set up above here, we'll probably be closer to Asian Open. Spreads will be dropping in 24 minutes. If you probably can't see that. But in 24 minutes, the spread will come back to normal. And I think you're going to get a better move. Because GA is probably going to move with open around 6:37. So I would just wait a little bit longer. It's kind of a little early to get in. At least wait for any Asian trades till, I would say, what time is it right now? 5:30. I would say wait till 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. But the idea on the trade is perfect. I think it'd be better up here, because then will be closer to the session actually starting. But if that was like New York session, yep, I would have taken that entry probably right there. Yep, you can definitely trade, even though you're from Canada, Lotus.
Take it from Canada.
Was that Gerzat that just came in? Or was that you? Oh, that was Cats.
Oh.
Okay. I wasn't sure who jumped in. Damn, nobody listened. I just got like 6 new messages.
I'm glad at least I listened.
Yeah.
Strike one for all those guys.
Mm-hmm. I'm not even replying. I'm just sending them the link to the chat if they can't figure it out. Well. Yeah. I gotta resend it too.
Are they all part of the Zoom chat or no, right? No, they're not. Oh no, Grizza is, yeah. Can someone send the link, yeah?
Yeah.
They're all in there. It's right there. Here, I'll copy and paste it again.
Okay. Yeah, I was just about to. I'm trying to finish replying.
Well, I'll do it right now.
Sweet. Thank you.
Okay, got it. There you go. Got happy people. I really like the movement on GA as well, man.
Yeah, I do too. It moves really well in Asian session.
Does, and even in even in NY, like I was saying, like the way it moved, it was really nice compared to like GJ, like when it was just in that consolidation, it was
Yeah.
really annoying.
Just moving like crap.
Yeah, I guess pick or choose, right? Whichever one works better, stick to that.
Yep. Yeah, whatever one I pick at the beginning is the one I stick with no matter what.
Yeah,
Yep.
exactly. I'm
Yep.
I'm 100% GA tonight for sure.
Yeah. Good. Nope, you don't have to change current. I mean, Sahil, you're from Canada, right? You said
Yeah, I'm from Toronto. Yep.
you just make a normal account like a normal broker, like anyone would, and you trade like
Yeah.
normal.
So I use FXEM, and you could use Wanda is also a really good one as well that a lot of people use. And like you use Trader's Way. There's a couple. I use FXCM, low spreads, and they have a good insurance policy with people that live here in Ontario. I don't know where that gentleman's from that's asking that question.
Okay.
But Owanda is a really good one for a lot of Canadians. A lot of Canadians use that. But yeah, man, just start up account, get it going. You know, you got to put in the process. You got to put in your documents, whatever. Once it gets going, fund it, and you're good to go.
Perfect.
Yo, 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 yo.
Oh, this shitbag.
That's good job.
So,
Not bad, bro.
you guys
When did
remember
you
when I
make
said,
this?
"Hey, I'm gonna send a message in the Zoom chat"? Remember that? Remember that?
No, I didn't see that. I must have
Mm.
not been near my laptop.
Okay. Interesting.
I saved you right there, good job.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Mm. Yeah, because I'm not giving it out to everyone anymore. Just if you were coming here every day to it, you got in it. Otherwise, YouTube's there. So
No, I know. Thank you for that.
I was just giving you shit because you made me have to resend it to you again when that was the point of me doing it yesterday.
Hey,
I'll get over it. I'll get over it eventually.
hey, watch, you're gonna win this trade, and we're not gonna even talk about this anymore.
Yeah, we'll see.
Don't jinx it yet.
Yep. Yeah, cool. That's perfect, Ray. Perfect. So I'm not from Canada, so I would assume it's the same as you just find a broker that's allowed to.
I hope that guy.
Yeah, I think he's good.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I heard you guys talking about this morning, and I was stuck in the exact same trade.
Yeah, man.
I was in GJ buys, and then it just kept like whipping up, and then coming right back down.
I had buy stops, so when Rakil and everybody was taking like a little bit of profit, I was like, I'm still at like break even right now, man.
GA has a ton of room for the upside, like clean traffic.
Mm-hmm.
It's like almost 55 pips.
even has a possibility of even getting up to that wick of the 4-hour top candle right there for GA as well. But obviously, there's a lot of scramble right beside it to the left.
I think we'll get up there eventually.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, Tomid. Who's doing that? Gotta mute our mics when we come in, guys. Yep.
Hold on, sorry boys, that's me.
Yeah, you're good. I just wanted to know who's doing it.
Yeah, no, my bad. It's my position size calculator.
Oh. Casey, really? I just muted you because you were making a bunch of noise. Come on. Yeah, I think this looks good. Once you get below there, take that down. That's what I was looking at, but I just didn't like the fact that there's a holiday on GA. It looks a little better, so we'll see. I think that makes sense, though. And you got this clean traffic. If you look on the hourly, this is all clean. There isn't this here. So once you get below here on the hourly, you're good down to here. This could be that bottom wick creation. Yep. So we got that weak close, no bottom wick. Next one kind of pulls back, fills the wick, continues up. We'll see if that happens. Alright, start pulling up some charts. Nope, I am not in any trade yet. What up, Formulation? How's it going, bro? What up, Kevin? Hey, Hayden, let's see what you got on GJ. I think I know what I'm going to see, but we'll pull it up. Perfect. 4 hours bearish. I love that. I actually might steal your little idea of doing this. It looks a lot. I like the look of it. It looks cleaner.
Way cleaner.
Sells below here. Let's create a resistance. Perfect. Got a wick fill. Clean traffic. Momentum. Beautiful. Alright, so here. Sub here. I hope I said that right. Is it going right there? Just GJ. Oh yeah, they're on the hourly. Yeah, that looks perfect. I don't know if you're in this or not, but for your next chart you send, I think put more analysis on, because I'm assuming you're going to take a sell because you close below here and your arrow's pointing down to here. And this is clean traffic, so you're looking to take it down to here. But definitely add some more stuff to your chart so I don't have to guess what you're thinking. And then if you want an opinion on it, I can give you an opinion on the analysis, but gotta have analysis on there. Yeah. I am looking for buys on GA. Preferably above here. Yep, yeah, the 4 hours super, super good. I love it. It just makes all these highs and lows that are created make much more sense. Alright, Capel, almost missed your I think that looks like a chart, I guess. Let's see. Numbers look a little weird. Yep. Yeah, your chart's not working. I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, GA is definitely a buy. Until it's not. Yeah, I don't know if I can do that for you, John. If I could, I'd do that for myself too. Alright, so.
You know what I just realized? That's a shitty feature on Instagram.
What's that?
Is because I was trying to add your YouTube link to the story, right?
Mm-hmm.
But apparently you can't add any links unless you have like a certain amount of followers or something like that.
Yep, you need 10K.
What is this bull?
Come on, FTMO, update.
Why is that? Do you know?
Um, I'm not sure. Why does it still? Why didn't it update yet? Come on, FTMO, update.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Yo,
What's good, Paul?
chilling, bro. How are you? How have you been? I haven't talked to you in a while.
Been pretty good, killing it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I haven't seen many charts from you, so I wouldn't know. Apparently, you
trading my
don't.
life away.
See, you just came in, got your information, started winning, and kicked me to the curb. I see how
How
it
do you say
is.
that?
I see how it is.
I talk to you guys every day.
Oh, okay. Here we go. So, we had lots of questions yesterday. Here is the verification. We are done. Um, so, yep, verification's done. And I will let you know once I receive the account and the contract and spill all the details on it, and you guys can decide if you want to check it out.
Nice, Paul.
Thank you. I've only been waiting 9 days. Took me 12 hours to complete it. Yeah, I'll go to the bathroom once it starts going in our direction. Yeah, my GJ spread or GA spread, I mean it's 2.8 right now, so it's not bad. But once we get about 5 more minutes in, and the spreads calm down, it'll be a lot better for every pair.
Is someone waiting on GJ?
What's up?
Is someone waiting on GJ? Are you trading GJ today, Paul?
No, I'm gonna trade GA.
GA?
Yeah.
GJ's looking good. I like it.
Yeah, it does. I just don't like that there's the
GJ coming
JPY
back with
holiday.
Son.
Yeah, I just don't like that there's a holiday, so I just don't know, so I figured I'd just stick to GA. I mean, it looks really good right now, but I like GA better, so I'm gonna stick with GA for the session.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah, GJ looks really good for sales. I like GA better.
Yeah, I had a GJ stopped me out today in the morning, like at 6:30, and then I got a good trade at 9 o'clock, something like that.
Oh, so you got stop and buys, caught the sells.
Yep.
Same, very nice. You should send those charts to the group. That would be awesome if you could do that, because with you being newer and doing so good, I think that would help people.
All right, sounds good. I will send it over.
Thank you, appreciate it, and I'm sure the newer people who join will appreciate it as well.
Sounds good.
Just kind of, because you've been kicking some butt, so I could tell right away after like our first session, you just like didn't need me, and I just would see charts, and then I wouldn't see charts, and I'm just like, he's probably just doing very well.
Yeah, I've been working a lot, like consistent at the same time for like how long, like a month and a half, 2 months now.
Yep. Yeah, you joined about 2 months ago, I think. A month ago.
Month ago, yeah.
I think it was a month. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty good right now.
Yeah.
A couple of losses, but it's all good.
That's part of it. Yeah.
Working with 1 or 2 a week,
Mhm.
man, it's all good.
Mhm. Do you do the strategy that I do, or do you do your own thing?
I do kind of yours, but with mine, just mix and mash. I mix it together and then I put my point of view, yours, and then try to get my trade out of that.
That's perfect. That's what you're supposed to do. That's what I was trying to teach. Is to make it your own. Clearly, it worked. Yep. Delo, just go to the website. There's a free group and a paid group. The free group is a Telegram. The paid group is like a mentorship, whatever. You can read it, check it out. Pretty straightforward. Did you had to trade second part 2? I still had to place trades for the last 10 days, but for the challenge part, that took about 6 trading days. So that was like Monday through Friday, and then one more session on like a Monday or Sunday. And then the next one I finished in a New York and Asian session, so in the same day. And then I just had to place 0.01s for 9 more days. I'm sure you could, Carl, but I'm not going to try, and I don't recommend anyone to try. It's kind of the same, but it's my group, not his, and I do things a little differently. I mean, I do things how I think I want to do things, and he does his group how he wants to do things. So, if you like him better, I think it's marketfluidity.com, or just check out his Instagram. It's on there for sure to join his group. Otherwise, mine is right on the screen. That's all. I think just winning consistent trades every single day is much better than trying to over leverage and flip an account.
Yeah, even if you have like 10 pip, 9 pip, that count, bro. To be honest with you, that count a lot.
Yeah, I mean, even if you can come and win 5 pips every single day, like.
Yeah, you get to the point you're comfortable about it.
Yep.
You can play that trade over and over and over.
Yep. So since you're newer and you're doing good, what do you think was was there a turning point for you where something just like clicked, like psychologically, and like how it's not about the money part, it's about winning consistently, and then the money just kind of comes after? Do you have any advice on that for newer people who haven't hit that point yet?
I mean, you can chase money because money is everybody wants money, but at the same time, it's like I try to focus more on pips, amount of pips daily, and then keep track on pips on percent in my account. I don't keep track on how much money I'm making today, how much money I'm making tomorrow. Is in the United States, most of the people are working for like eight $75 an hour, and then sometimes we wait like 4 or 5 hours, and then we made like 60, 80, $90 is being home from the computer for 4 hours. I think it's worth the time to wait and you know take your time to grow your account, learn, um, have a
Perfect.
good risk management. Because in the end of the week, it's all what it is.
Perfect. Yeah. Some guy's
So
asking for your Instagram in the chat if you want to throw that in there.
my answer,
Yeah, some guy in the chat wants you to know what your Instagram is.
oh, Alejandro the Good.
I don't think they'll know how to spell that.
Oh, Alejandro. My last name is Degut.
Here, how about we make you famous real quick? Um, all right, can you spell it for me?
Yeah, Alejandro the Good. Degut. Yeah.
You don't exist.
Oh, whoa. Wait, 1 second.
How to get 3,000 followers overnight.
No, no. I only have 6, almost.
Imagine he gets 10K before you now.
He'd be booted from the group. I think it's an underscore. Nope, you still don't exist.
Wait,
Oh,
I'm gonna
yep,
send it
no.
to you guys.
See, I know your Instagram better than you. Come on. So, this is the young man that was just speaking of having some good success being newer. So, if you want to check him out, um, kind of a swole, pretty boy.
Kind of spoiled pretty boy.
Swole, pretty boy. It's a compliment. It doesn't sound like it, but it is. Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
This core needs to be over. You're gonna get bigger than me soon.
Man, I don't have dreads anymore. I cut my hair.
Ooh. Oh my god. Yvonne missed it too. Yep, I'm trading GA today. Tonight. That's what I'm looking for.
What's up, guys?
Yo, yo. What up, Nathan?
I'm assuming you're looking for GJ Sauce, right, Paul?
GA buys.
Oh, GA.
Yeah. Nope, Jason. That was the first time I've ever done FTMO. So. It was pass and then pass. So. One and done. That's up to you, D'Lo. I'm still looking. I still think we're coming up based on the 4 hour. We're just trying to find some support to take us up. Pulling back into open. We're just not ready to go up yet. That's all.
Yo, Paul.
Yo.
I just sent a chart in the Zoom chat if you want to look at it.
Who sent one?
I did myself.
Yeah, no thanks. I'll look at it just like you joined the Telegram group. How about that?
Got it.
Alright, Matt sent one first. I don't know if I pulled up Matt's chart. Matt, is that you? You just joined, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I just want to make sure it's the right one.
Yep.
All right, so this is GA. So you're gonna secure 50% here. Wait for support to form. And you're gonna take it up. Okay, I like that. Kind of take it up to resistance, secure, and if we break, we break. If not, okay, I like that. That could be the move is from somewhere in here up to here, and then that would be extra if we get it.
Yeah.
Makes perfect sense. Your mic's super quiet too, just so you know.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
No, you're good. Just then everyone can hear you. Damn, you guys are bossy today. Alright. Enter a break of the highest wick. Okay. Try to get that pretty. Okay, yeah, that's fine. No, I mean, I see what you're saying. Low 4-hour bias change. Damn, I think a lot of people like that rule.
That rule was a game changer for me.
That's what a lot of people said. I was surprised when I came up with it. It was just like, I'm gonna try this, and then it just started working, and then I told people, and I was like, whatever, like it's just a silly rule that works, like that's all. But
It
makes so much sense though.
Yeah, it's because then the person doesn't flip flop back and forth from buys to sells and stuff like that.
yeah,
Exactly.
it keeps you focused on what you should be looking for, I think. It's like if you're looking for a blue car, you're gonna see more blue cars than if you weren't. So it's kind of like if you're looking for only new highs, you're gonna see more of the right highs that you should see, and then you won't worry about random lows that happen.
Yeah.
In the same way you buy the new car, you're seeing everybody with the same car.
Yep. Same thing. Yep.
I forgot what that term is called, but it's something. It has to do with like your mind, right?
Yeah, it's like a psychology thing.
Yeah.
It's like whatever you look for, you find.
It's like a funny thing. Like I don't know if any of you guys used to play like Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah.
But like when you would hijack a really nice car on Grand Theft Auto, all of a sudden you see them everywhere on the road. Everybody's driving.
Yeah, and it was always the one you took like an hour to find, and then you finally get it, and you see like 10 of them.
And then everybody's got it.
Yep. Nathan.
I did not post anything. I didn't even realize. My bad. But yeah, I took this trade just now. It's almost a target.
Nice.
That's it. Reticular activating system.
Yep. I watched the motivational video and I forgot who was talking. But he's so.
Probably Tony Robbins.
No, I watch him. He's good. I love him. It was I think he used to be.
Right, guys, I'm on GJ sales.
You got in?
Yeah, I got in.
Nice. Let me make sure I got these charts. I'll pull it up real quick. Okay, I got it. Hey, look at that. There's me. Where are we at? This one's really good, the Will Smith one. I love all his stuff. It's
Do you listen to Gary Vee and stuff?
Yeah, I used to listen to a lot of Gary Vee. I kind of listen to different stuff now.
Do you know Les Brown?
Yep.
I like him a lot.
Here, it's this guy right here. This dude. He's the one who I heard that word, reticular activating system. It's him. But yeah, these are all the ones I've listened to. GJ sells it. Did it do its thing? Oh yeah.
Yo, Paul, how you doing?
Yo, what up, Bruno?
I managed to get in your gym, man.
Yeah, I mean, I think everyone seems to be taking it. It should move normal. We'll see.
Look at that. It's melting.
Yep. Hold on, I gotta grab these few. Could you explain that rule again? Yeah, Matador, if you... Actually, if you go to my Instagram, I believe I have it on there. Let me check. It should be Yep. So if you go to the Instagram, it's on the bottom left. In the story highlights where it says choosing bias, there's a PDF in there. Just screenshot that. That will break it down in way more depth for you. Yep. It's probably at 500 Hassan. Just gonna pull up some charts. All right, Elijah, I'm gonna pull up your UJ. Doesn't work. I don't think you've sent a chart that's worked yet. You gotta figure out what's going on there.
I'll send you one. Give me a second.
Okay. GJ for low already tested. Sell stop to break there. I think that looks good. You're probably already in that already. Partials there. Support target. Looks good.
Do you have any wick coming down on GJ?
On MT4?
On the MD4, yeah.
I'm on LMFX, so it might be different.
Yeah, I'm on LFX too.
I don't think I don't want to switch over. Whatever, I'll switch it over. Hold on, I gotta load the chart.
Because on the
Nope.
on TradingView, you see that wick coming to the bottom, rejecting the previous wick to the left side.
Yep, I don't have that.
You don't have that? I don't have that either.
Yep.
Do you think it's gonna be a problem? Because it's rejecting the TradingView.
I think it's gonna be more so an area to fill than reject.
Makes sense.
One
But
thing
just-
that doesn't look nice for GG on the for GG is on the 4 hour. It's back into like the little mess it was in before.
I feel like if GJ breaks that 4 hour low, that wick you guys are talking about, then it would fly down heavy.
Yeah, that's what I have in mind because it's 4 hour week, which is making me worry about.
Yeah, and you got like a lot of 4 hour support around 132.505.
Yeah. This is my TP 132 105 132.501.
Yeah, right there, exactly.
I don't have that wick on my broker either.
Yeah, I think it's just TradingView or it's the FXCM.
You guys ever use IDC instead of FXCM?
What is it? IDC?
IDC, so it's just like, so instead of FXCM, it's IDC, but it's more grouped with a lot of the brokers combined. Sorry, ICE. That one.
Oh. No, I think FXCM is the closest one for
Yeah.
for this one. Yeah.
Yo, Paul, I sent the chart.
Okay. You gonna walk me through it? Yeah, I mean that's too clean, man. You can't. That was good.
What do you think about that?
I think you could have taken the entry on the break of this bullish candle.
That was the 1 hour. It closed. You see the previous bearish, the black one?
Yep.
Yeah, it broke there, and then after like 1 minute, it tapped on the 4 hours, so I entered there.
Oh, you got in here?
No, on the 4 hour tab. My entry is right at it is right there.
Right here? Right here.
No, right there. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I got you. Yeah, that looks good. I'm saying you could have entered below this 30-minute here.
Okay.
Or 15-minute. But that looks perfect. Looks perfect. I think GA is doing whatever it's doing. Is GJ dropping really good?
It might even fill that daily low.
On GJ or GA?
GA.
Yeah, it's going to probably make that bottom wick and then we'll come up.
Mm-hmm.
Or we're going to keep going bearish. Daily close below everything. We didn't break below there though, so that would be the next area. If we get below this wick here, we'll head down into here or here. But we'll see what happens. That would be completely breaking the 4-hour if we do that. But then GJ would probably head up if that's the case.
I like it's right there.
I should probably mark up a sell idea
Yeah.
just in
I
case.
have 4 hours support around 197.28. Check that out.
We had 10 daily closes in a row on GA of bearishness.
Yeah, I think it might come up and make a top wick though, a better one. Yeah, so if we get below here, this is hourly, maybe fall down to here, but that's still just so messy coming down.
Mm-hmm.
I hate going back that far. So that is our area there. So it looks like if we get below here, yeah, I just don't like how it looks coming down. If it comes down and GJ goes up, yeah, I don't like GJ going up either. Oh, that's 4 hour. Okay, hold on. If GJ goes up, would that break my rule? Yeah, that would.
What is it exactly that's so like inverse correlated with GJ and GA?
I don't know if it's coincidence or if it's actually it's normally only during Asian session, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the Aussie dollar and the yen. The yen is a safe haven.
Yeah, safe haven. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Someone messaged me about it yesterday. I knew that, but he seemed like he knew more fundamental stuff than I did.
A lot as well, right? Because like usually like JPY is a safe haven currency. So like for example with like UJ, when the dollar is increasing, obviously the JPY goes down. But usually when gold increases, US dollar goes down, but JPY also goes up with gold.
I always thought GJ and gold in Asian session work oppositely.
Really? Huh?
Yeah, that's just what I've noticed. But I mean,
I think GJ is going down right now. Like I don't think nothing is stopping GJ right now because it broke the previous low on 15. Create a top week. I mean,
yeah, that's good as we. I mean, this 30-minute has no bottom wick, and I've seen this happen where it does this right at support. We get a wick down, and then we drive back up. So we'll chill on the 30-minute and just wait for it. I think once we get like 15 minutes close to open, we can evaluate what's going on. But I still think we're going up.
Yeah. I'd rather just sit on my hands until Asian market actually opens, see what happens.
Yep, Raphael. If you go to the link in the bio of this live stream, I believe it's on there. You just go to so just scroll down, go to the show more. And there's a link in there, and you get a discount on the magic keys for anyone who wants them. If you don't know what they are, it's the picture on the right side of the screen. And that link you can do some research and analyze what you think about it and if you want to get it.
I'm so excited for mine to come.
For how long do you have the discount?
What's up?
For how long have you started having the discount voucher?
I actually just realized it was a discount a few days ago. I thought it was just an affiliate link, but it actually does make it a little bit cheaper. I think I don't know how much it is.
It is 144.
One-
dollars.
144. Let me click it and make sure it is a discount because it might just be an affiliate link.
I think it gives you the free shipping because when I clicked it yesterday, it gave me the free shipping. I don't know if that was from the affiliate link or.
I think it might be because I paid shipping for mine.
Yeah, that's what I was confused yesterday. I was like, what the heck?
Okay. Yep. Yeah. So if you click the link and you go through my affiliate link, you get free shipping. I'm not positive on the discount. If Rakil's watching, I'm sure he will speak up.
Mine has already been shipped. I think in the site he was saying that it was free for most of the countries. They have like a list in the site.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the country that it's the ship is free.
Okay. Well, then it might just be an affiliate link. I'm not sure. $7 discount. Okay. Cool. It is a discount, I guess.
Yeah, I'm not sure because I'm in the United States too, and I didn't pay any shipping in politics, so.
Okay. Yeah. Someone just said it's $7 discount, so you get it for like 134, 133. Yeah, I think it's just an affiliate link. That's all. I don't think there's a discount on it. I just clicked through it, so just an affiliate link. If you want to order through my link, you can. For the buy, I'm thinking above resistance right there at like 91450 area. Above there is what I'm thinking. Yep, thanks, Joe. Exactly.
Yo, Paul.
Yep.
Yo, what do you think about GJ sells.
I think they look good. I like GA better for tonight.
Yeah, but my only thing is it might not have the volume.
That's why I stayed away. Is the yen has the holiday, so I just didn't want to chance it. I figured GA would be safer.
Mm. Yeah, definitely.
Take profit's gonna be about 1.92 000 if we go up. Oh wow. Mhm.
Rushing down.
So the bias PDF, once it crosses that line, if it does, then I know to switch and look for sells. But once it breaks, I don't automatically enter because that would be, I gotta make sure I have a good stop loss. The entry makes sense. So all that line does is tell me when to stop looking for one trade and switch to the other side. So buys is the side we're on now. If we cross that, and all it has to do is wick below, it doesn't have to close, just has to make a new low. Once we do that, now I'm looking for sells only. And then you wait for your entry, and then you enter like you would normally with support and resistance and whatnot.
Do you see my GJ chart? I put it
No.
in the group chat.
Nope, I have not. In the group chat? No, I haven't looked at any group. I'll look at the group chat once the stream's over.
I put it in the stream too, on the chat.
In Zoom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can pull it up. Alright, that's good. Stop loss is really big, but
I got in right after the 15-minute candle broke.
Right
That
here?
bearish candle. Yeah.
yep, that's perfect. I think you could have your stop right here.
Yeah, but because the spread right now is 1.8, I would like to be like here what's going on. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Okay.
Paul, look at you. UJ just melted, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice. Yeah, I mean, GA is moving a little weird. It could be because of the news coming in, but
My TP got hit just now too.
on
NZD USD, the chart I showed earlier.
yep, oh, I saw that one. Okay, not damn, everyone's hitting TP already. Shoot. You're in GJ sales, nice.
We're flying on profit today.
Let's see if this one works, Elijah. Okay, that one worked. Yep, that's perfect. Bearish daily 4 hour resistance. Falls below the support. Looks like that's where you took your entry right when it worked up to support. Perfect. That is perfect analysis, Elijah. I wonder what this hourly is doing. If we're gonna come out off of here, or we're gonna keep coming. Oh, nice, Mike. Yeah, let me know when you get it, if you like it, and if you have questions, you can always let me know too. It's pretty straightforward though. Damn, this thing's gonna break. Wow. Alright.
Yeah, it's nuts.
I just don't like what's to the left. I guess those wicks. Yo, yo. Lewis, I would trust. I would just pick either TradingView or MT4 and then always trade off of that one, regardless of what the other one says.
I put up the markup for my trade inside of the chat, Paul.
This one?
Yeah, Nathan.
There we go. Support form low volume. Yeah, uptrend. There's your high. A high.
Yeah, I
Perfect.
entered on the 30-minute close at the beginning, but like I had it was just a starter position. The rest of it was like in the where the buy sell thing was.
Yep, that looks perfect. Nicely done. You already closed out of it?
Yeah, I have stops at break even. It's still running. I'm up
Be-
like 15 pips.
Beautiful. Yeah, Lewis, if you send a chart and then stop spamming the chat.
Thanks, Bob.
Yep. It's a beautiful trade. Oh, can't open your chart, Liam. We'll wait on this 30-minute and see what happens. The bias PDF is just on the Instagram in the story highlights. Yep, I can check that out.
Yo, Paul, I have a question for you.
Yep, one sec.
Yes. Okay.
Personally, I would enter once this broke above this bullish candle here. As you see, we have a bullish one and a bullish one, but no new high was established. So in my trading that I do, the way I see this, there's no confirmation that price is continuing above this area. So I would wait for this one to get above this previous candle to confirm a new high, and then you'll more than likely have a better trade. And your stop loss can definitely be that's a really, I don't think for the target you're taking, you can probably have a stop either here, or even on the current candle. That's for you to figure out though. Alright, let's see what you got, Bruno. Oh, you just had a question. I thought you had a chart. What up?
Yeah, question.
What up?
So, as I started on the demo around 10k account.
Yep.
But today I usually use around 3% risk to trade. But today I decided to increase my not the risk. The risk is the same, but I was doing the 3% out of the 10k. And today I changed on this trade that I changed the 3% because I almost flipped the account. The account is at 70%.
Oh wow.
So I put the percentage of the 17k.
Nice.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Like I said, it's your risk, so if you're cool with it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, basically I almost recover all the losses that I had.
Very nice.
I'm like break even, basically.
Perfect. Yeah, GJ, if GA actually comes down, GJ might go up. Or range. They both could range, who knows? I still thought buys makes, I still like buys, so if anything, this has got to look really good. I'm going to wait for the hourly for the sells. But I'm kind of hoping this candle retraces back up. Or we just kind of dick around down here. Once the news hits, then we see the move to the upside. Hey, Jimmy. You got your chart coming in. Where's it, GJ? GJ looks like it's falling nice.
It just pulled back in the 15, broke the previous high. Yeah, I got it. I got out half.
Beautiful, protected. I think that looks good. I don't think this is necessary. Because you just want to know what's happening right now for your trade, and then whatever happens when you're not on the chart doesn't matter. But if you are here during London and NY, I think 3 sessions is a lot. But if this is just an idea when you're not at the chart, I would get rid of that wasted energy and put more into what's happening here. But this makes sense. It looks good. This is just kind of a lot of assumption, but in my opinion.
Another thing, when you can I tell?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you use the magic keys, so you set like a percentage per trade, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Is it the percentage is always changing accordingly to your account as well?
Yep.
Or you have like a percentage set to the initial account or whatever?
You might be able to change that setting. I just have mine set on the overall account.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's always changing.
Yep.
Okay. Is that better?
It's just preference. That's all. Just like swing trading or scalping, just preference.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Yep. Alright, so we got bearish price action, previous bearish 4 hour. Yes, perfect. TP 10 pips. Yes. 30 min, previous high and low. For sales and entry to continue. Yes. Link traffic. That looks perfect. It looks like this is kind of the area it broke below there. Now that's that last area that you got to get through, and that's why you're pulling back. And then if the volume comes in, it should take us down. Yeah, Jimmy, I would get rid of one of those sessions and try to focus in better on those other 2 sessions. I think that would be better, but if what you're doing is working, then I guess do you. If GA goes down, GJ goes up. They just always move opposite. And it's due to the yen and the Aussie dollar, is what I'm told. So, they typically move opposite, and they're both kind of in a crucial area. So GJ could make that move down to fake out and go up. GA could hold below support and continue down. But we'll see what happens. I think waiting for Asian Open is going to give you a lot more information in terms of where we're going.
Yo, those GA 50-minute candle closes.
Yeah, I want us to go up, so. And yeah, Bruno, the keys are great, bro. They are great. Nice job, JR. Beautiful. Yep. We'll check that out, Liam. See what's going on. Beautiful. That's GA sells. Resistance, took it down to the low. Beautiful. Entered as the lows are broken. Beautiful. I like that. That's a lovely chart. I hope it wicks down, you hit take profit, and then it goes up, so then we both win. So we'll see what happens. Wait for this hourly close, because what I'm thinking, and what I've noticed, is if this thing closes right here, bearish, there's no point in trying to get in on a new low here, because the hourly is still going to have to come back and wick up and touch this. So we'll still be able to get an entry in here if we come down. But I really kind of want this to run up. Sorry to say, Liam, but if we go up, you're going to get really nice buys.
Yeah.
Do you get in the free Telegram? Yep, free Telegram's just the stream. Just more charts. You can kind of talk more directly with people. I normally pop in there a couple times a day. If you send a message to me, like you tag me, like do the my username in there, I always reply to that. But I don't typically just sit and read through the entire chat. There's just way too many people. But it's kind of like the live stream's just a little more personable, you could say, I guess. Free Telegram is pretty much just a chat. Ooh, that's what I wanted to see. Sorry, Liam. Yep, yeah, perfect. Come up. That should mean you guys would be good for GJ if we keep going.
GJ haven't pushed anything. Still there.
Yeah, I hope this thing keeps coming. That'll be some massive volume coming into open, and then boom. Except I can't take it till up here, but that's okay. And paid chat room, yep. So the paid chat room, I try not to talk about it so I'm not just sounding like a salesman, but when you get in the paid one, you get in here, you get direct access to me all the time. I'm pretty much at my desk 24/7. We have this with our Google Drive, general chat, New York, London, Asian, and then in New York session in the morning, we typically all go in here. It's a little voice chat. We can all chat and talk while we trade in the morning. And then Asian is just the there's charts. I just post the Zoom link in there. So, and then there's also the one-on-one coaching as well, which is pretty detailed. I have files on everyone, so yeah. But everything's on the website. So if you want to know more, go to the website or message me directly. But we're here to trade Asian. Hey, Devon, I'm going to pull up your chart. This is GA on the 5-minute. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's a range area. I think bottom to top would be a good trade. But remember, you're on the 5-minute, so that looks not very clean. But as you see on here, if we get a bullish candle, a new high, we got clean traffic to head up to here. So I wouldn't look on the 5-minute for your range. I think if it's ranging on the 15 or 30.
No, wait, we're not done.
Or the 1 hour, you're pretty good. Typically the 1 hour like this, ranging, wait for a good candle. Now, as you see, this one hourly candle, like individually, not the time, is bigger than every single one of these candles. So we have some volume here now. So wherever this candle closes or goes, or the next candle goes, is more than likely where we're going to go with the push, because the volume is now here. So we should see the actual move happen in the next 9 minutes. Yep, yeah, I mean, they could move the same. Like I said, I don't trade based on GA going up and GJ going down. It's just something I've noticed during Asian. It has nothing to do with me taking a trade. It's just a observation. Eight more minutes is what we're waiting for, and that will be Asian open.
Yeah, but if the pound moves stronger than both of them, they're both going to move the same direction.
Yep. I am 1 follower from 6K. Woo.
I'm gonna unfollow you now.
That's fine. Check your Telegram.
Hey, don't threaten me.
Boom, you're at 6K now, brother.
What's up?
You just at 6K followers now.
I just lost 6K?
No, you're at 6K followers on Instagram.
Oh, I hit it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not on. Didn't show up on my end yet. Oh, yep, there it is. Whoa, we hit it. Who followed me? Pips for days. All right, I'm following you back because you were the winner.
I took my little like side trading account that I just like followed you back on. Just give you that.
Nice. Thank you. Next step is 10K because I want to be able to do that swipe up feature.
Oh yeah. It would be better if you followed me on my actual real account, man.
I do, don't I?
No, not yet.
Suppose I can do that.
I'm asking for too much already.
Which one is it? I get a lot.
Underscore Tom Dylan.
Just message me. I'll follow you back.
Yeah. Don't worry about it right now. We're worried about trading right now.
Yeah, you're right.
It's raining nicely here.
Oh, it's downpouring by me too.
I'm gonna get a coffee and I hope you guys are in profit when I get back.
Only a profit when Paul goes to the bathroom.
Yeah, it does move a lot when I do that.
It's like Paul's bowels moving when he goes to the bathroom and it moves back in. Dude, try to say that. That's tough to say, actually.
Yeah, it's tough to say, right? Paul's bowels.
Powell's bowels.
So this GA trade is looking great right now.
I'm warning you guys, YouTube has algorithms that searches out certain language.
Yep, yeah, it does. It's very selective.
There is a certain word that if I say it, the computers will find it and trash the video automatically.
Paul, there is news for AUD at 9:30 as well. So hopefully if we can get a trade, it'll be before that.
Oh yeah, I mean, whatever I'm in at 8:30, I'll be getting out. If I'm in it that long, if I'm not already get stopped out. Yeah, that's why I wasn't worried because I'll be done. The stream will be over by 8:30, so.
Okay.
I'm hoping I want this to go up though. I don't like the downside.
Yeah, you're looking for the move above that 191471 area, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it looks pretty clean.
It is exceptionally clean, but we're going down right now, unfortunately.
Are you still looking at GJ or pretty much only GA now?
GA for today. I really like GJ sells, but the yen is on holiday, so.
Oh yeah, true.
I figured GA would be better for the session. We'll see. I'm gonna go to the bathroom though. We'll see what happens.
You're still getting a little push up right now, man.
Yeah, GJ does look nice for sells too.
Yeah, I closed GJ on break even.
You had sells or?
I was on sell. I closed it because I didn't like the 15-minute candle broken the previous high on the 15.
Okay.
Probably a good thing you did it, right? Or you closed it.
DJ's been shit.
Yeah,
man. Kicking each other's ass.
I agree with you.
Yeah, DJ's been rough.
Very.
Fish.
GJ.
I watched TJ for 17 hours yesterday.
17 hours?
Yeah.
There you go.
All of
Who had
that.
going for you, Kaz?
All of that spaghetti stuff. I watched all that spaghetti stuff yesterday.
Let's analyze. Hourly close. Right.
We're looking bearish.
Ugh. That was a mean hiccup.
And bearish hourly close and
So you're not thinking sells it off for this hourly wick fill here?
It would have to break the hourly for me to take a trade.
Okay.
Or push up and then take it on the 15-minute break. At the moment, I'm thinking if we break below the 30-minute, then this support will be invalid and will come down. I want a top wick first. I don't really. I mean, MT4 kind of has one, but it's just. I mean, you can have 13 pips top. But like I said, I want it to go up, but if we break here, I think we'll come down and the daily will be coming down.
Yeah, I feel like daily could push down to the bottom of those R4 wicks.
Yeah. Let's see if we break.
Dang.
Moving.
Holy
Go
shit.
on.
Wow. I didn't have it set up enough time, but I was gonna take that 15-minute break, but I was too late on it.
Yeah, I just did the sell as well.
You guys got into it?
Yep.
Yeah. JSL.
Dang, you guys are quick.
You got magic keys, boy.
I actually don't even got magic keys.
Oh, damn. You suck even more, Mike. You too slow, boy.
No, I didn't have it marked out. Well, I feel like there could be a little pullback on it anyway.
Yeah, I mean, it just wicked below the hourly, so if it does that, it's probably going to sit in a range all day. Holy cow.
Holy shit.
Well, there's your chance to get in.
Oh, I just got back with my coffee. You guys sold Count Ozzy.
Yep, Mike could take it out right away, though.
Yeah, I don't.
Wow. That's rare. That's very unlike GA. New York was okay. I lost a little bit, but it was a small loss, so not too bad. Managed it. Excuse me. You wait for a close above to take a sell. I don't know why you would wait for something to close above something to sell it. I would wait for a close below to sell if you're gonna wait for a close. But if you're waiting, that's totally fine. TP is going to be about 10 pips and maybe let a runner go 20 pips. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, full position still going, Paul?
Yeah, I'm still in. It fit my rules. I mean, 5 minute didn't close ideally, but Price made a low. We're all bearish. Stop loss might be too tight.
That's my only problem. Yeah, that's what I'm.
But we'll see. We'll see. If you look at the 5 minute, it made like a projection. I think if it breaks that 5 minute wick, it'll continue down and at least give us 10. But I mean that candle just moved super quick, and it broke that 30 minute in the first 5 minutes of the open. So I think down's where we're gonna go, but it might take a minute now. We'll see.
Yeah.
It fit the plan, so just
Yeah, I got in on that pullback, but I got stops above the previous 15.
perfect.
So I think what I'll do is I'll manage the trade where I'll close 50% if we pass this, if we break above this 15 here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the stop was too big above there, so.
Yeah. When I got in, I think stop was only 11 pips or 12 pips.
Yeah, mine is. Holy cow! It's 15. Damn. Well, I should probably do BE at 15 pips then. Yeah, that just made lows for everything. 4 hour, hourly, daily. Oh yeah, your demo's not gonna have a zero. They don't have a demo zero account.
Well, that 5 minute just closed like a weak bearish, so hopefully this one will just run it down.
Mine was weak bullish.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I meant weak bullish.
It almost filled that other 5 minute.
Yeah, I like how it didn't pass it though. That's nice.
I wish it would have passed the low.
I know. Yeah, the low is the only thing I was looking at because if you look at it, it's kind of making lower highs, but that one made a higher low.
Yep, and a lower high. Yep. Same.
Begin. Really want this 5 minute candle to just like bleed.
There's a rip down like 10-15 pips.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. See, we just need a new low to be established on a smaller time frame.
Oh, that's the thing. Like, I hate looking at the 5 minute for that because like sometimes it's just not like very
Gives you like anxiety looking at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does kind of mess around a little bit.
Yeah.
I just use it to kind of manage it. I don't like to overthink the candles. But if I see new lows, then I'm like, okay, we got more confirmation that we should continue, which is good.
Because you look at the 50 minute and it's like it's made a newer low, right? So obviously you're gonna go with that. Just wanted to keep walking.
We'll see. Yep, I will pull up charts after this trade. Excuse me.
Hopefully we get that little 50-minute last 20-second push.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, below that wick would be nice.
There you go.
Have not made a new low yet. That is what I'm watching for. I was really hoping this 5 minute was going to make a new low for us.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching.
We did not.
It did not.
We had a good 15-minute close though.
Really. But if it goes a little bit like higher, I might even close a little bit above my position just to minimize risk.
Yeah, mine's right on the 15, so.
Yeah, I mean, I like how the 15, the body closed below where it couldn't have before. That's kind of what I was looking at.
Yep, makes sense. You see, 5 minute. 5 minute close below 5 minute support, but 5 minutes, so take it with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
We'll see. Like I said, if it gives you the rules to get in the trade, you're supposed to be in the trade if you follow your plan.
Exactly.
Yep.
Yep.
Any of you other guys got scented candles to like keep the nerves down?
I have candles on when I trade and live stream.
Yep.
Does it actually keep your nerves down?
You know, I guess it just stays like a little state of zen. I guess I don't know.
Bro, I've got so much stuff. I got a little what is that? Salt lamp for positivity. I got a strength and energy candle, and then I got like a little like flowing water thing, dude. I'm trying to just stay as calm as possible.
That's it. That's it.
I just like the smell, and it just feels relaxing and peaceful. Oh, 5 minute. Oh, made a new low, but it tapped and.
I was gonna say it tapped and jumped a little bit.
I've got real rain pouring down now.
I wonder if it is still raining here by me. I don't hear it, but it was downpouring earlier.
I hear it.
Oh yeah,
Really
it's
nice.
downpouring very hard here.
It's a lovely sound.
I love rain. I love it.
I love the sound.
Yeah, if we break that 15, we should move.
Boom.
Oh, there we go.
Should keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Everything follows the trade line.
Who was that who had cells earlier, Liam?
What did you say, Paul?
I said you had cells on GA earlier, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Playing out well for you.
Yeah, well, my runner got stopped. Break even.
God, those two bullish candles, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I re-entered way broke again.
Gotcha.
I secured some of my position. Just have like one running.
How much did you secure?
Just 10 pips.
You got 10 already?
Yeah. Because I entered at the break of the 15.
Oh,
Yeah. I should
Yeah.
have 10 as well. I'm pissed. I was. Man.
Yeah, I got 10 as well because I waited for that pullback that happened. I missed the initial entry.
Damn, bro.
Because like I know I usually always enter at the break of the 15, and I know you usually do.
Mm-hmm.
so that's why I just stuck to the game plan. I was just like, okay, let's see if it works out. If it didn't, it didn't. Like risk is managed no matter what at the end of the day.
Yeah, it was good. I just didn't like that 30-minute support. That's all.
Yeah, it was a bit risky because the hourly just opened.
Yeah, that was the
That's
other
the,
reason too.
that's the only thing. Yeah.
Yeah, no, all good. I mean, I got up about 4 pips, so we can come down a little bit more.
Don't like this 5-minute right now.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, dude, I had my finger on there to close too, and I didn't.
The 5-minute looks like it's just retesting where it broke out of from.
Yeah, to
I
close
just
for
stops below the 15 or above the 15 though, so
Yeah, I don't want to go over that.
you were gonna close where?
me.
Yeah.
I was gonna close right when we hit the right at the bottom there. I was at my I was at like 9-10 pips. The only problem is I've got 2 lines. Like one of them is like blue and one of them is black. Do you have that on yours too? Like when you're in a trade?
I just have a blue one, and then my take profit and stop loss.
No, I'm talking like okay. So where price is currently at, it's like 11 or it's like 120, and then the other one is 096. Is that the spread then? Or does
Oh yeah,
yours
the
not-
black one is where price is at. The blue one is your entry.
So do you have a? I think you have a bid and ask.
Yep.
In your chart at the same time.
Yep.
Yeah, that must be what it is then.
Excuse me. So that dotted line that goes across, that's your entry.
Yeah, no, I got that. I'm just saying, like, where price is currently, there's 2 prices.
Yep. Yeah, one is just where the entry is. The other black one, moving one, is where price is. That's all.
No, I'm saying, like, even when price moves, there's, like, one that's, like, right above it, like 2 or 3 pips. I'm thinking that's where that's just the spread. That's what I'm thinking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's just bid and ask. It's pretty. Yeah, it's your spread.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Okay.
King Hydra, if that's your plan, then you should trade your plan. We'll see what happens.
GJ sucks today.
Did it dick around?
Yeah, dick around.
Yep.
Yeah, I got out.
"30 minutes got like no wick to the top. It's just like ready to go. Come on."
Mm-hmm.
I have a bigger wick than the one on TradingView here.
Yeah, my MT4 has a wick like this almost.
Yeah, same.
Did you secure at the bottom there, Mike?
No, I'm still in it.
Oh, so it came all the way back down for you.
Yeah, it came like between like 2 pips right there. So I've been really trying to hold the 10 pips.
Okay, good.
See, I've been doing slightly the opposite. Even if it comes to like 9.5, 9, I just secure sometimes just because like I've had it so many times where it comes down and then goes all the way back up, and I'm just waiting.
Yeah, I'm not really liking the 5-minute on this here though. That's the only thing.
Nope, I will not add positions. I entered where I wanted to enter, stop loss, and it'll go or it won't. So
Well, you're risking what, like 2%?
I just did 1% for today, for this session.
Yeah.
Yeah. Normally it's 2. Yeah. The stop loss was just a little bit bigger, so I dropped the risk down a little bit.
Makes sense.
I mean, it's gonna make my lot size smaller regardless of the stop loss being bigger, but just the target for sells just is kind of just random. So
Yeah, something that we were not looking.
yeah, I preferred buys, but it told me to take sells, so I followed the plan. But we'll see what happens. Might just take it all at 10. I mean, daily looks very good to come down, so.
The 30-minute is a strong. Looks like it's gonna be a strong close, too.
Oh, we got a minute left on the 30. Wow. Okay.
Mm.
Even though like the 15-minute is not as strong, overall the 30-minute, which is a higher time frame, is strong.
Yep.
So I think it's still gonna head down.
Yeah.
Exactly. No way to the top.
Yeah, so it should definitely respect that 30 then, I would think.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah, I moved stop down. We're on the previous 15. I'm moving down to the previous one now of the 15.
Oh, that 15? Okay.
Same spot as you now. I just had them the one there before that when I entered. But now my thoughts are like to kind of manage the trade a little bit. I think if we break this here, then and I don't feel like it's gonna come down, right?
Yeah, if it breaks this previous 15, it's gonna have a less of a chance for sure. I'm waiting to see how it closes. If it closes strong, probably put my partial SL there. If it closes weak though, it could wick up and come back. Press the FN key.
Oh, that's what it does?
Yep.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
Last 10 seconds.
Pretty snazzy.
Well close, strong.
Oh, that looks like a decent close, I'd say.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking at the dollar index, and the dollar opened with a huge gap. And if you look at the AUD, the dollar, the Australian dollar, and versus the dollar lost a lot of power strength. So the same thing if you go on I don't know what time is it in New York. So basically, at the time it opened with the gap, the AUD started getting strength. So it means that the trade you guys taking is probably gonna go down.
Good to know. Good to know. That's the dollar index, right?
Yeah, if you open it, there's a huge gap, which means it lost strength. If you go on the Aussie dollar, you see at the same time you start getting the dollar lost like power over it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the Aussie got stronger.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, so it makes sense if you look at the GBP LD, the same. It's getting stronger and stronger. That's why it's going down. At the exact same time, I mean. So you might correlate a bit.
Yeah, like I said, I wasn't a fan of the targets down to the left because they're so far away and it's not super. It's just not very clean. But if price keeps making lower lows, we should head down. I just don't like using targets that are super old. I'd much rather take a buy into something right here than have to scroll back God knows how long.
Mm-hmm. Would love for this 50 man to like make a new lower low for sure.
Yeah. And a lower high.
And a lower high, of course.
Yeah. Well, I think it's hailing out.
And the same thing applies to the UJ. I just noted this now.
So you just probably going down then, huh?
UJ melted, man. The entry I took, I cut it too early. I could have had the double of the profit. But yeah, you never know. I'm gonna take another entry.
Just take what you can get.
Paul, if this 50-minute candle was to break the high of the previous candle wick, would you close positions?
More than likely is what I'm looking at, yeah. But it was a weak close, so it could wick above it a little bit and then continue back down, yeah. It likes to do that with weak closures. So
DJ does that as well.
But this was a big 30-minute, and we do need a retest of that area we broke. So maybe if the 15-minute closes bullish, then I'll and it doesn't stop me out, then I'll look to minimize it.
The real catalyst is that 30-minute candle, and if it breaks above it exactly.
Jeez, it is coming down. Can you guys hear that? Oh, I think we're coming down now. Yeah, we just broke. We broke a 5-minute, formed a resistance, it looks like. If we get past that little 5-minute support, I think we'll start to move. We'll see.
Why did I cut the trade, man?
Yep, yeah, Roboli or Robel. Philippos. Sorry for butchering your name, but I can remind me after this trade before I end the stream, and I will go over that for you. Really just got stuck in some garbage this morning. I mean, to summarize it, that's pretty much what happened. So 5-minute kind of formed a resistance, but it wasn't really like a strong bearish close, but we do have a lower low. But again, it's the 5-minute, and I'm just not. I like higher time frame stuff.
5-minute killer psychology.
Yeah, I just like it to manage it, because if the 5-minute's starting to make higher highs, higher lows, there's a good chance that the 15 and the 30 are going to start to do that as well.
Yes.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave now, okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow at New York.
Yep, see you tomorrow, bro.
See you later.
Don't overtrade. Don't make me come at.
I took 3 trades, one of them was like break even.
Okay, you send me any charts tonight, I'm ignoring you till tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow. No, I'm done too.
Right.
I recovered the losses I had.
Perfect.
So I'm up 1% now for the week.
Damn, this thing pushed down right to that area again. I think if it breaks that, then it's golden.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna pop out. I don't think GJ's gonna do anything today.
Yeah, it might just range for Asian.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, though. See you later, Bruno. Alejandro, you're off too?
Yeah, I'm out.
Alright, bro.
You know, I only trade GJ.
Yep.
Okay.
I will see you in the morning, bro.
Yeah, see you in the morning.
Yep.
Boys.
New York has been a pain in the backside, man.
It's been backhanding people like crazy.
And it's just like annoying because I just started trading it again, so it's like, oh my gosh, like I'm not even in the mood to get up and look at it.
No, it gives a move. You just got to make sure you're not in a range, or it doesn't look like it might range, because it's been.
Yeah, I think the moves are happening later, right?
Yeah, they've been happening after, like 30 minutes after NY open. There's not really been any moves before, like in pre-NY.
Yeah, and I usually trade pre and I tend not to trade after. That's the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that was a hard 5-minute pullback off that. It keeps hitting that bottom like support area.
I really want that 5 minute to break like all those previous wicks.
That's what I was hoping for. I was hoping this one was gonna do it right there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, and then she just pulled like all the way back up, almost
Yeah.
broke the high of it.
Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure everything to the left on the 4-hour is 4-hour wicks. It's just long wicks from like here down to that 4-hour wicks line.
Mhm.
So once I hit 10, I'm gonna take the 10, go break even, and
Yep.
If we get 10, I should say.
I'm about 4 pips away right here. It's been like just sitting here for a bit.
Yeah, I think if we break that low, we'll get another little push, but
Yeah, that right where that low is, where they're at, like it's my 10 pips is 1 pip from that. So
I would say maybe just if you get close to it again, just
yeah, I'm just gonna close 75% and then put the rest at BE.
I would say just go BE till you hit the 10, and it either hits 10 or takes you out and you don't lose, or you hit 10 and get a little more.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, mine is like sitting. It's sitting right at the entry, so. Yeah, I hope the power doesn't cut out. I mean, I have my phone, so I could always just jump on my phone too. I hope we don't start to stop moving until the news comes out. That would really suck.
Market does that sometimes though.
Mm-hmm.
I usually enjoy when like the market actually like anticipates news before it comes out, and then you kind of just go with the flow after that.
Mm-hmm. Mm. So ugly 5-minute.
Did your 5-minute did you just gap up?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, that was weird.
Yep. See you later, Mo. See you tomorrow, Taha. If you start to feel like that, definitely a good sign to head off. I'm gonna run to the bathroom quick while this does its little dance.
The 5 minutes isn't breaking the top wicks or the lower wicks right now. I think he's just figuring out where he wants to go.
Yeah.
Oh damn! I just got stopped at break even. Damn it.
Better than a loss.
Yeah, just annoying.
But the 5 minute just broke over the next wick.
The 5 minute is an unconfirmed triple bottom. If it breaks the neckline above, it could go up more.
There's also like 4 or 5 pips at the top.
Yep, I got stopped on everything.
You went to break even, right?
Yeah, I went to break even. That's annoying because I was like 1 pip away from taking profit 2 different times.
See, that's why I started just like securing at like 9.5, because it's happened to me so many times. So I'm just like it's just 1 pip. Like, what's the point?
I know, but my problem is I just can't hold the damn trade to 10 pips, like at all, dude. Like I'll close at like 8 pips, but then those are the ones that run like 20 pips. The problem is my stop losses are like anywhere from like 10 to 12, even 13 pips. So it's like my R to R has just been absolutely brutal these last 2 weeks.
But even if like those trades where you close like 8 pips and a runner keeps running, then you have those runners on.
The problem is I've never had a single runner actually make more. Every single runner I've ever had has gotten stopped out. Every single one.
I can agree to that though.
Yeah, so it's just like real rough, man. I take like one loss and it's like 2 times the size of my win. So that's like the biggest struggle that I have right now.
Yeah, like I'm on the same boat with you, Mike.
Yeah, it's getting annoying as hell because every trade seems to be like perfect and it's like working out. I'll go up like easy 6 to 8 pips and then it'll just pull back like I don't know.
I've noticed that this week, especially. Like last week was completely different, but this week especially, I've noticed that.
I just can't. I just feel like I can't catch a break right now. You know, it's like it's like these little tiny things and.
I think we win some, we lose some, right? It's at the end of the day when the trade goes like like against you, it's all about risk management at that point, right?
Yep. I just need a one good solid trade that's like, ooh, that's a great trade. I've yet to have that in like 4 weeks.
You know what the funny thing is too? It's like you let a trade or like you place a sell stop or a buy stop somewhere, and then next you know you just like hop out of it because you've had like a little bit of a bad trading day that day, and you're like, I don't want to overtrade, and next you know the price goes in that favor. Yeah, I think this quite a bit.
So, Mike, you're pretty confident you can get 8 pips, right?
Yeah, it seems like most of them have been 8 pips. Yeah, the problem is like for stop losses are around like 10 to 12, like I said.
So why don't you change your plan to get 7 pips, and that's good profit, and then you can minimize your stop loss like Roger's been doing by cutting out half or whatever if it goes against you.
Yeah, that's kind of what I did on this trade as well, and then I just put obviously breaks it or stops at break even. I don't know. I guess it's just I need to get more consistent with the wins. I think so. Like if I win, say one, and then I'll lose the next one, and then I'll win 2, and even if I lose the one, it's almost like my losses are always twice what my wins are, and that's where I'm like struggling.
Right. So what Roger's been playing around with is minimizing the losses before they happen.
Yep.
Yeah.
Which it looks silly and crazy, but the math works out.
Yeah, that's why I was I'm not disappointed about this trade here. I minimized it really well. Went from a 13 pip stop down to a 6, now to only to break even.
Yeah, and I agree with all of you guys about the runners. It's like maybe 5 to 10% of the time that runners actually go past, and they don't get stopped out when you protect them.
Yeah, runners are tough. Like I said, I don't think I've ever had a runner run.
That's the job of a runner. It's just like it's the one time that you may get it where it's worth it.
Oh, it's worth it. I've had runners that ran, and the first time you get 50 pips on that, you're hooked.
Yeah.
At the same time too, man, like if like your trades are going 7-8 pips, and if you close partial positions of it, take profit, put it to break even if it goes past your stop loss at break even, at the end of the day you still made profit that day, right? Can't complain.
Like the 50-minute that closed right now, and GG has like no top wick, which can show that like the momentum's still gonna head downwards because there's no more like buyers.
Yeah. It actually didn't even hit my break even, but I think the spread took it out, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, this 15-minute will tell a lot. I think if this one closes bullish, then it might have made that support down there to continue going back up at least a little bit.
Talking about GA or GJ?
Oh no, GA. Like if this one passes the previous 15-minute, because then it'd be passing the 30-minute too.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
just broke the top, it looks like.
Wow. It is going crazy outside right now. Holy cow. Damn, Asian has just been garbage this week. Did GJ at least make a move? No. Wow.
The 4 hours about to close also in like a couple of minutes. And
Yeah.
it's like a strong bearish close. So I think overall it's still going to head down. I think it just might take time.
Yeah, but is the stop going to be safe enough is the question.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wow, it is wild outside. And I definitely don't want to hold this into news or even hold it that long in general. I mean,
yeah, I might
Sunday
for another entry after the news.
I mean, Sunday, Monday were really good for me. I was 3-0, 4-0 to start the week. And then I lost 2 this morning and won 1. And now whatever happens with this one. So.
Did you do the first 2 at 2%, so you're technically down 4%, and then you won back 2, so you're only down 2 from New York?
Yep.
Yeah, that's not bad.
But I also won like 3.75 on Sunday. And then I won an additional 1, so I won 4.75 Sunday because I took 2 trades, that's right. And then Monday, I won in New York. I'm out. Great. Monday I won 2.5. So I'm up for the week, but down for the day. And yeah, that sucked.
Yeah, I got stuff to break even there, so I'm happy I put stops to break even.
Yeah. See, once it goes way in the wrong direction, you feel good about it.
Yeah, if the spread wasn't 2 pips, I would have had 10 pips there. I technically was only at 8, so I wanted to. We were just talking when you left, trying to really hold to get 10 pips, and that's just one that was, I guess, unfortunate.
Yeah.
It's like normally the time that I take 8 pips, that's the one that runs for 35 pips. The one time I didn't take it, it stopped that break even, so I'm not mad, but.
Yeah, just can't look at it that way. That's a bad way to look at it, because then you're always going to have that thought of, oh, if I close 8, but what if this? Trade it to your target, and that's it. If you hold it to your target, and you secure there, and it does whatever after, if it runs after, that's fine. You held it to your target. Like, if we held it, let's say this was actually a support we had, or maybe it is. So yeah, let's say we held it from here to here, and you closed here, and it ran up to here. That's good, because this could have sent price back down.
Yeah.
But if you hold it here to here, and then it goes to here, and you get mad that you missed that, you can't predict the future, so you don't know, kind of thing. So always just at least get it to your target, and then just that is what it is. If you get extra beyond your target, awesome. But zone to zone is definitely happens way more than that. So even if you don't leave a runner, but you leave it like just take it to your target and trail it behind the candles, that could work too. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade this again. I took 3 this morning, took 1 here. I don't really like sells. I took it because it fit my plan, and it was perfect with the bias. Daily looked good, but I prefer buys right here, so I think I'm gonna just let whatever happens happens. GJ did not do a damn thing, so another. I mean, New York was pretty boring too for 3 hours. I mean, did we caught this yesterday, I believe. Yeah, we caught it here to here.
Yeah, I'm fully minimized risk.
Yep, and then we caught GJ on as well too the other day.
That Sunday was amazing though.
What's up?
The Sunday trade that we did.
Oh yeah, those 2 on Sunday, they were super good. I mean, it was GJ buys here, I think. Or was it? No, it was here. It was these ones. Those buys, and then GA buys here as well. But yeah, no, there's a rangy session. I'm gonna journal that, and then I'm gonna just let Asian go because, like I said, I don't like anything coming down. So we'll get the loss in there. GU went up, yeah. You could call it a fake out if it goes up, yeah. Yep, yeah, I will show those in a minute. Let me just journal this in here. Yeah, so we started super strong. And then that was this morning. Right here. Yeah.
Wow, that thing flipped hard.
Yeah.
Broke the 30, I think, too.
It did. Now it's coming back. Yeah. Oh well, I wouldn't have wanted to be in it when it was making this anyway.
Yeah, that's kind of annoying.
It looked like it was just retesting the area it came out of.
Yeah, hourly never did a retest. Oh, still didn't actually.
Yeah, that hourly still got a small ass wick too.
Yeah. Oh well. Okay. So the idea was here. Should have had a stop here. But that was too big, because then I would have had to hold my first position down to at least here. So
see that. Sorry to interrupt you, but that's where I had my stop. I had it above that wick just because I entered at the break of the 15. I get like the stop loss was slightly bigger, but I felt like it was a bit more safer.
Yeah, it was definitely safer, but I figured if I had a 12, I could at least get a nice quick 10, maybe get a few extra. But did not happen that way. So
I think it was just because like the beginning of the hour is just like always a bit like iffy because you don't know how big the top wick is going to be and stuff like that,
or if it's gonna have one.
Yeah.
But it breaking that 30-minute low was kind of it telling me it's not gonna have much of a top wick, and it still really doesn't. So yeah, stop was hit. So we still got to make a new low for that 30-minute, and then I think we'll be heading off to the downside.
Whatever, at the end of the day, man, still good trade management, man. And we
yeah.
put it.
It was just. Should have just had a safer stop loss, but it was just too big.
Yeah, it'll probably make a decent push once it passes those, because it keeps coming down to those and like pulling back off it like really hard.
If it passes that 30-minute low, man, then it would probably fly down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Nope. Say I don't like sells, so if it does come down, I mean, yippee, but I did not like what was to the left.
Oh man, I'm done for the night.
Yeah, me too. I'm not gonna trade it again. Plus, there's news coming up, and I mean everything was just pretty dog crap.
Mark the new day, man.
You trade in New York tomorrow, Paul?
Yes, sir.
Did you trade this morning?
Yes, sir. 3 times. That's why I'm only taking 1 trade tonight.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I'm actually gonna walk through them real quick too, because I did honestly do some poor analysis when I marked up the loss. Both of them actually. Why? Honestly, I don't know. It was early, and I just didn't want to. I don't know. I knew exactly what went wrong. So typically when I lose, price ends up ranging, and I just screenshot the chart so I see the loss. But there's nothing I can't predict when price is gonna range. So, I mean, I know exactly what happens. So I don't write it, but I forget people look at the Trello. So I'm gonna try to make sure I put a lot more information in the losses. And maybe, and who knows, maybe it'll make me lose less. I don't know. GA sells, okay. Right, we sold? Yep, okay. Got it. Yeah, see, but, yeah, the fact that this broke above to come back down, and now it's just doing this, I think this is also going to just range until news.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Alright, so let me add this chart, and then we'll walk over those New York trades. Where are we at? There we go. Damn. 1 for 3 today. That's crap. Alright, so. Wow, that's loud. So, first trade was right here. We had this. This was a fake out. If we got above here, that kind of confirmed that we would continue up. Plus, this was actually turning the hourly. So this wick came down, rejected, and then we pushed up, made a high. That's my bread and butter right there. I made a low, kind of retested into this area, broke up. That went up like 8 pips. I think that actually went 10 pips. I had it mapped out wrong, and I didn't pay attention to. I think I was looking at it was like a 1.0 or something like that, and I was looking for 100, but I forget that the spread's in there as well as the commission, so it actually would have been like 88, which it hit, and I didn't realize it. But yeah, that broke out to the top, and it broke everything, so I was like, oh, we are gonna just rock it. Nope. Like, okay, New York's coming in, we'll get some volume. This is the wick I entered on before. As you see, this was a really good 30-minute close. We broke above both of these. Next target is at least here or into here. I was like, okay, whatever. It's just in a range. Once volume comes in, we got volume. There was a 15-minute here that we broke above, so that's why I took it here, because it was breaking the high of a candle. Broke it, broke this, and I was like, okay, volume's pushing us up. Came back. So same exact trade, but this one was. I would have waited for this one for a close above, but with the NY opening and this candle rejecting the downside, making a higher low and a higher high, I was anticipating the volume to finish the push up kind of thing. This is just kind of being like a dicking around kind of candle. I figured this one would take us up with open. It didn't, and then I caught the sells later on. It was right here. So yeah, once this is the exact same trade we just took, we broke there. Supposedly this is a support, but if this is actually a support, which it lines up here, which is correct, but if this is a support, why are we not respecting this candle? So when we broke that, I took the entry, got about 13 or 12 pips, I forgot what it was, and then I went break even, and yeah, so that was this morning. Oh, and the reason I waited I saw this coming. Once this faked me out right here, this was my entry on this one, right above here. This was open, so that's why I took it there. But once this happened here, and I saw we broke below here, and then I saw this one break below here, and there's this to the left. I knew this was just gonna tank, but my rule was I couldn't take a sell until we broke the 4-hour low, which was right here, or we closed bearish. Right here, we closed bearish on the 4-hour, and then this one, or it was one of these two that we closed bearish on the 4-hour. So then I switched the bias. There's my bias line right there, and then this was the first 15 or the first 30, whatever, and then took it at the low. But that
Those
was
massive.
that
Sorry.
was that. No, you're good. I'm done.
I was gonna say those massive wicks in the morning for GG were just playing with everybody.
Oh my god, they were just huge.
Because that's exactly where I got stuck too.
Kicks. I wasn't even mad about the loss because it was just like a perfect entry, but apparently not. So.
What do you think the reasoning for that was, or was it just like the market's doing its thing? Because it was like it's a Tuesday morning, like I know the beginning of the week, but
I think
it's not
just
even like a Monday.
I would say it happened just because price was stuck in that range, but it did break completely out of it 2 separate times. I think price just really didn't want to go up. They looked like it was the weekly was flipping, is what I think they were talking about, and trying to fill the wick to the downside. So that could have been all it was. Is just price wanted to come down, and the up moves were just those last little. Are you sure we don't want to go up kind of thing? And then they're like, nah, we're good. And then it came down. So
Like a liquidation grab almost.
Yeah, just kind of grabbing orders to build up a strong push because it did have a strong push. Yeah, slow session. I'm going to head off though. I don't like anything anymore. I kind of like the sells. Now, not so much. So I'm going to head off and we will be back tomorrow, same time, 5:30. And I will see you guys then.
Thanks so much, Paul.
Yep.
Take care, Paul.
Peace out.